It's better to calculate your percentage in risk than your profit or whatever the amount.
50 grand AP. But this is the profit of our investors. So yeah, guys, let's make some money.
Good day, and right now I just saw that a Fed member say time is right to pull back on stimulus. By the fall, the labor market should be substantially stronger. So it's hawkish comment out for the Fed as they took taper they bound purchase as early November this year. So with inflation coming out, beating expectation, it showed that isn't a transitory as expected, driving money straight into the dollar, supporting a potential bearish gold bias to 1784. So if gold could continue to push and tap only 1792, we're gonna bank like 10 or 50 grand. If I keep the trade with these good comments, with a good closure like this, we can go reach like 1775, and we can hit like 20 grand on this trade if I'm very aggressive.
What's up, Thailand?
We're gonna see.
So vlog, talking about that, we have our instant funding that we just came out with. So if you guys are interested in getting funded, some $10,000 account, $25,000 account, people are asking us literally like, what's the catch? Like, what's the catch? Like, what's going on? Like, no, they don't believe it. And it's like, no, it's simple. Like, you pay, right, $500 for a $10,000 account or $1,000 for a $25,000 account, one-time payment, no monthly fee, no hidden fee, nothing else, and you trade the account. There's a 5% drawdown on the account, and if you hit the 5% drawdown, you're out. There's only one rule really, and it's 1.5% stop loss max per trade. That's it. If you hit 10% profit on your account, you can withdraw the money. So for example, you get a $10,000 account, you pay $500, you make 10% on the account, you get a withdrawal, it's $1,000, you get 50% of that. The profit split is 50%, so that's $500. So you're breaking even already in your investment, and you keep the account, and as long as you don't make 5% drawdown, you keep on trading the account and you get the profit. Every single time you make 10%, you get the profit. Now guess what? We make it even better, all right? When you do 2 times 10%, so the second time you reach that 10%, we're gonna tell you, hey, do you wanna, instead of withdraw that $500, do you wanna reinvest that $500 in yourself and get part of our grow agenda? So if you reinvest that $500 in yourself, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take your account, put it on a real live account, because you basically proved to us that you're a profitable trader. You did 10% twice, right? We're gonna put you on a live account, and now that live account, it's on our grow agenda. So it can grow up to $2 million US, right? So all you need to do is make 10% profit. Every single time you make 10% profit, you can withdraw the money and we grow your capital. That's it, that's all. It's the simplest funding program literally in the world. I've been literally looking at the competition for months, 6 months, and it's the simplest one, it's the easiest one, it's the most legit one, and this is why we want to take over the funding program games. And by the way, we're going to do some giveaway of $10,000 and $5,000 funded account. All you got to do is make sure you are in our VIP signals, and you're going to be able to participate. We're going to do a challenge of one trader that makes the most profit or the most return on his account will get a funded account, just following your VIP Forex signals. And also just by sending us screenshot and your testimonials and all that, we're going to be funding account every single week. And lastly, if you are on YouTube, if you are a YouTuber, send us a DM, let us know. We're willing to pay you cash to make review for our funding program. And if you're a starting YouTuber, you don't have a lot of followers, maybe you want to start your YouTube channel, start it, and we will pay people with a funded account if they do great review of our funding program every single week. So let's go. We're gonna go eat now. Everybody's hungry. We did the talking, so on peut aller au resto. Full course that, by the way, in 1 or 2, 3 days, that course, we're not gonna give it for free, all the course anymore. We're just gonna give the first 1 or 2 weeks because we're gonna be selling the whole course as a monthly subscription. So if you join now, you get the whole course for free. What's up, Japan, Brazil? What's up, 𝐓𝐡𝐞 𝐍𝐞 Canada, Malaysia, Iran, Europe? Best firm, they have a 70-30% share. Yeah, bro, we have an 80-20. 80-20. We're beating FTMO, right? FTMO doesn't have instant funding. We have instant funding. So if you don't want FTMO on top of that, so yeah, FTMO is a great firm for real. I'm not saying it's a bullshit firm. It's a really great firm, but I run my business all the time. I'm looking at the competition. I'm not gonna do an offer less better than my competition if I want to take over or if I want to compete. I'm doing a better offer. So my offer are better than FTMO. Glad Lembo OP. Can I pass the challenge with your just pay instant funding? $500 for a $10,000 account, $1,000, well, $995 for a $25,000 account. Let's eat some chips. Yeah. Let's see, we got some profit. I'll post something in our little free Telegram channel real quick, and then we'll see if we do have some profit. Currently a little $867, $500 something running. This is GBP live account. So not bad, like we're kind of breaking even, like 3 G's today, not a bad day, but like if we take the past week minus 1.7K, so we're kind of ups and down, the trader lifestyle. What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up? What's new?
Just got this brand new thing over here. A little funded account. What we got? Just 1K this week. We're Thursday,
So this account, like, it's been going up and down, but it's 266K, so we're cool. We started at 260K. Whoops, my bad. We got Nicholas getting something in. That's great. Broken screen. So we got Alex teaching a bunch of cool stuff. He was teaching about position size using my FX book. Really want to make sure people sometimes are like, oh, I'm just trading like 0.1 lot every trade, like 1 lot every trade. This is insane, guys. Like, you need to do it professionally. So this guy is teaching that. And yeah, guys, so just got this cool fridge. I need some water. Talking about that, I need some water. And just got this iPad. We're gonna show basically, we're gonna build a app for a funding program that's gonna show all the stats or all our funding members, because everybody over here on the floor is funded. So yeah, guys. So it's doing well, and you know, this is a live account, 266,000 pounds. So yes, we do get some live account. And before that, we're giving some demo accounts. So you see 25K, 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 25K. There's some 10K somewhere. Seems like it's all 25, but 10K, 10K, 10K. Some are instant. So we got instant funding. These guys basically, they are instantly funded, right? So you get the account. There's a 5% maximum drawdown. If you hit 10% profit target, you make the withdrawal. It's really cheap, it's really affordable. You make your money back on the first 10% profit target. And if you can do it twice, we're putting you on our scaling grow agenda that we can grow your account to $2 million. That is insane. If you want to pay a little cheaper or pay on a monthly subscription, right? Because you don't have the one-time payment right now of $500 or $1,000, we can get you started with evaluation and challenges, and it's like 150 bucks per month, 100 bucks per month. So get started with the best prop firm. We're getting a new app, like I said, and it's gonna be insane. We want to take over like all the competition. I'm not even gonna name them, because by the time you're gonna be watching them, we're gonna be competing with them.
Exactly. That's when the market probably went down, and everybody thought it was a sell signal. They went in on the trade. Stop loss either above the previous week or above the previous structure, and then New York pushes back just as a fake out to regain the same price that they had last week, last day before the close. Check le candle à 5 heures la veille.
Tu poses la question, est-ce que je le sors ou je le laisse couler plus tôt? C'est mon trading plan, j'ai aucune règle qui me dit d'en sortir mes trades plus vite, fait qu'il faut changer cette règle. Comment je vais manager mes trades? Tu comprends? Etc. Tout le temps. Comment tu adjustes ton trading plan? Making a little bit profit right now. The live AP 50 grand AP.
bouge, et une façon comment tu vas voir comment il bouge et comment tu vas prédire.
Got some profit from the investor. I keep a few $20, then I'm gonna change it some $5 for my tip. I'm tipping people all the time. You need to be charitable. You need to have a percentage of the money you make for charity. But this is not charity. This is profit. But this is the profit of our investor. So yeah, guys, let's make some money.
Strategy is a game changing when you learn to really calculate your risk instead of what you want to lose or what you want to take as a profit, you know, on a daily basis, weekly basis. So it's better to calculate your percentage and risk than your profit or whatever the amount.
Awesome. See, basically, he was like talking about like what he just learned with Alex on the floor. So I said, hey, please repeat that for the vlog because this is very great, man. It was like, this is a game-changing stuff, and it's a little thing: risk management, position size calculator, right? Making sure you calculate your risk properly. You don't just say, I trade one lot, right? You use a position size calculator. That's it.